all know that feeling when you need to push something into GitHub, but your fucking Wi-Fi isn't here. I know that now. Day 3 of 100 days of coding, right there. Got a bit of code cleanup in the compiler right here, so it's a whole nother function. Then the compiler function. So now if I start it up, I type in a hello or program, make a console dot read key end, and then I'll take this one into the hello world right there, and as you can see, there's an hello world right there. If I press the key, it all disappears. I can also do this, make a console dot write line and state in just in that, why not? This and do this, Control C, Control V, and then run code. We can see hello world, hey you, stop. Everything inside of a little function right here. So try it out if you want to. It's me that's made it, so it's always going to be buggy.